Workout started. Heart rate 107 beats per minute.
Total wireless earphones were supposed to be a jump to the future, but we've sacrificed a lot. There have been huge compromises on sound quality, comfort, easy pairing, and battery life. Thankfully, the long-sought solution to these problems is about to arrive. Introducing Liberty Plus by Zolo, the world's first zero-compromise total wireless earphones. We've used state-of-the-art technology and years of audio industry experience to develop Liberty Plus, and we started with what's most important. We've engineered a revolutionary driver using graphene. 100 times stronger than steel with only a fraction of the weight, it vibrates and holds shape effortlessly to make music shine with clarity and intensity across all frequencies. Liberty Plus uses pioneering liquid silicone ear tips and grip fit technology to ensure a universal and reliable fit. They sit securely and comfortably in any ears. Anker has offered us exclusive access to their cutting-edge battery technology. With its sleek charging case, Liberty Plus offers an enormous 48 hours of stunning music. Liberty Plus will utilize an LDS antenna, the same wireless technology used in drones and satellites, creating an almost unbreakable Bluetooth link. And Liberty Plus has a brain as advanced as its voice.
Alexa, how's the weather?
In Seattle, it's 55 degrees with cloudy skies.
And we promise not to stop here. We'll put our hearts and souls into delivering a future with no sacrifice. So support our Kickstarter and help create Liberty Plus, the world's first zero-compromise total wireless earphones.
Wireless technology is the future of music. Introducing Air by Crazy Baby. The world's first true wireless stereo headphones crafted with carbon nanotube technology. Our passion for perfection led us to create an ergonomic design that looks, feels, and sounds spectacular. Air uses the latest CSR chip to deliver high-performance stereo audio and provide the most reliable wireless connection in the industry. By utilizing a state-of-the-art 998 carbon nanotube diaphragm, Air is able to deliver a tremendously wide range of sound with dynamic highs and reverberating lows. Air's advanced in-ear mic picks up your voice with clarity and accuracy. An incredible wireless music experience awaits. This is Air.
One, two, three, four.
Siri, open camera.
Hello? Listen, I gotta go.
Hi, I'm Jacob, and I'm the co-founder here at Axe & Gear. You know that working out's a great hobby. You know that it's the best way to maintain physical and mental health. And you know what it requires. Music is vital for motivation, but it relies on a great set of earphones. Here at Axe & Gear, we knew that traditional headphones just couldn't cut it. We needed earphones that met our needs as athletes. And after testing many different models, we realized that these earphones weren't created by fitness junkies like you and I. So we thought, what if we took things into our own hands and created something that was really game-changing, truly revolutionary? Imagine. Earphones that don't rest until you're done. Well, we made it happen. But how? Let's go over to Jennifer to find out.
Thanks, Jacob. So do you ever wonder why your Bluetooth earbuds always drop signal? It's basic physics. Using Bluetooth means using the same electromagnetic waves and radio frequencies with other devices, whether that be 1, 10, or 100 devices. And did you know that microwaves, Wi-Fi, smartphones, and earphones all use the same frequencies? That's why our signals always drop at the gym. And are you aware of just how much radiation your brain absorbs while using Bluetooth? Bluetooth between your ears, it's kind of like putting your brain in a microwave. Our solution? A revolutionary communication technology called NFMI, or Near Field Magnetic Induction. FDA approved. NFMI is the part of the electromagnetic wave that we don't think about. And just like it sounds, NFMI is used to connect devices that are near to each other, trillions of them. It's used in Formula One, on the battlefield, and in medical devices. As we know, in these areas there's absolutely no room for failure, and that's exactly why we've adopted it. So how does this magic work? Well, imagine a wireless bubble around you. And inside that bubble, multiple devices reliably connect, and outside they simply cannot be seen. That bubble is invisible to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, only allowing music to go from one earbud to another with no interruptions, no matter how many devices are around you. The result? Powerful music quality. It's like having a cable between both ears. That's why the fidelity offered with NFMI is so remarkable, and the signal will never drop, guaranteed. Just imagine it as an evolution in near-field communications, just a larger distance.
Finally has happened. 2 years in the making, and our team of top designers and engineers have made this vision a reality. Introducing Axum earbuds, true 100% wireless earphones designed around you. Equipped with the latest technology, Axum earbuds easily pair with your favorite devices, providing you with a reliable signal that never drops. You'll also never need to pull out your phone while sweating and lifting, thanks to integrated on-ear controls. Axum earbuds are powered by a 90 milliamp lithium battery that doubles the playtime offered by standard wireless earbuds. So now you can listen to your favorite music for up to 4 hours without a charge. Yes, we know it's awesome. When it comes to phone calls, you benefit from 2 built-in omnidirectional microphones that silence background noise and keep your voice sounding crisp. The sleek protective case also serves as a wireless charging station that can recharge your earbuds up to 6 times, delivering an additional 24 hours of non-stop on-the-go listening. And with fast, easy-to-use wireless charging, your Axum earbuds are ready to go in just 60 minutes. How's that for an impressive super fast charge time? Because when you're in your zone, you don't want distractions. On the exterior, nanotechnology coating protection creates a water-resistant barrier. Sweat's no sweat for Axum earbuds. They take it all in stride. Furthermore, each set includes 3 sizes of silicone jackets and ear tips. Just pick the perfect combination for a fit that stays in place even during your most intense workouts. They even fit under your helmet. With other earbuds, you're limited to a fixed size. Your Axum earbuds softly adjust according to your ear shape, eliminating those painful pressure points. So regardless of what sport you play, whether it's CrossFit, cycling, or snowboarding, our adjustable hook design keeps your earbuds secure and comfortable, while all the time delivering superior sound.